Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for tax exemption. First, it's crucial to understand what tax-exempt status entails for your organization. This status can significantly reduce your tax burden, allowing more resources for your mission. Next, you must determine if your organization meets the specific eligibility criteria set by the government. Finally, gather all necessary documents and information before you begin the formal application process to ensure a smooth submission. To qualify, most organizations must operate for exempt purposes, such as charitable, educational, or religious activities. You will need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which is a 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service. Additionally, prepare your organizing documents, like articles of incorporation or trust agreements, which outline your organization's purpose and structure. These are fundamental for your application. The core of your application involves completing Form 102-3, which is the application for recognition of exemption. This form requires detailed information about your organization's purpose, activities, and financial data. Be sure to attach all necessary schedules and supporting statements, as these provide crucial context. Once everything is complete, submit your entire application package to the Internal Revenue Service for review. After receiving your tax-exempt status, maintaining it is essential. This typically involves filing annual information returns, such as Form 990, with the Internal Revenue Service. You must also diligently keep accurate and complete records of all financial transactions and organizational activities. Adhering to all operational requirements and avoiding prohibited activities are crucial steps to ensure your organization retains its valuable tax-exempt status indefinitely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.